Hello everyone, today we are going to understand module 3 of EVS. Your module 3 of EVS is based on population and how the human population impacts the environment. Today we are going to understand a few concepts relating to population, and once we understand those concepts, then we will move on to understanding your answer, which is factors affecting density of population, in the next lecture. The concept that we are going to understand today are population, population growth, population explosion, and density of population. So let's move on to the first concept, population. Population means the number of people in a geographic area. So population, what it actually means is number of people staying or residing in a particular geographic area. Let's take an example. Let's consider the geographic area is Mumbai region. So when we are going to talk about the population of Mumbai, we are actually trying to refer to how many people or the number of people that are staying or residing in the Mumbai region. When I am talking about the geographic area of India as a whole, so let's say the population of India will actually be the number of people staying or residing in India. So this is what population actually means. In Hindi, you can refer to it as Abadi. Coming to the next concept, population growth. Population growth is the increase in the number of individuals in a population. Population growth is known as one of the driving forces behind environmental problems because the growing population demands more and more resources for its own application. Let us first understand the first line, which is population growth is the increase in number of individuals in a population. So let us take an example again. Let's say, for example, yesterday the population of Mumbai was 1000 people, means 1000 people were staying in Mumbai. Today 100 new babies are born in Mumbai. Can you tell me what will be the population of Mumbai today? That's right. Yesterday it was 1000. Today 100 new babies have been born. So 1000 plus 100 equals to 1100. So today's population of Mumbai will be 1100 people. How much has the population increased by? It has increased by 100. So the population growth is those 100 people. So population growth can be referred to as the increase or the rise in number of people staying in a particular geographic area. Now, if you will look at the second line, population growth is known as one of the driving forces behind environmental problems. It is but natural that when the human population will increase, the stress on environmental factors and environmental resources will also increase, because of which a lot of environmental problems will arise, which we will understand in future parts of the module, so that we will look at later. Now let's understand concept number 3, population explosion. Population explosion refers to the rapid and dramatic rise in world population that has occurred over the last few hundred years. In 1800, the population of the world was 1 billion. In 1927, after a gap of 127 years, the population of the world doubled and became 2 billion. In 1960, the population of the world became 3 billion. The gap between 1927 and 1960 was 33 years. So in 33 years, the population of the world increased by 1 billion. So on and so forth. If you look at the chart, from 1999 to 2012, the gap is 13 years. And in 13 years, again, the increase in the world's population was by 1 billion. So from 1800 to 2012, if you see, the population of the world has reached 7 billion people. So this is nothing but population explosion. There has been sudden and rapid increase in the world's population. So the population growth is not normal, it is rapid, it is increasing at a very fast pace, and this is what is referred to as population explosion. Now, coming towards the end, the last concept, density of population. Population density is the number of people living in a unit area of the Earth's surface. It is normally expressed as per square kilometer. So density of population is nothing but how many number of people are living in 1 square kilometer. So when we measure the population of a particular geographic region and find out that how many people are living in per square kilometer, so that is what would be referred to as density of population. In the next lecture, we will try to understand the factors affecting density of population.